On behalf of KB Bamangachi family and my personal behalf, I welcome you all on the occasion of National Sports Day. India celebrates its National Sports Day every year on 29th August. The day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. Major Dhyan Chand Singh was born on 29th August 1905 in Prayagraj, Allahabad, UP. He represented India in 1928, 1932 and 1936 Olympics and won gold medal in each Olympic. He joined the Indian Army when he was just 16 years old. Dhyan Chand has so much of passion for hockey that he used to practice even during the night. For this reason, his friends started calling him Chand. Dhyan Chand was the highest goal scorer in the 1928 Olympics in Amsterdam. Indian team won the gold medal because of his 14 goals in that tour. In the match against the USA in Los Angeles Olympics 1932, India won 24-1. A world record until it was broken in 2003. Dhyan Chand scored 8 goals while his brother Dhruv Singh scored 10 goals. Indian Hockey Federation appointed Dhyan Chand as captain of Team India for New Zealand tour in December 1934. India played 48 matches on this tour. Dhyan Chand played 23 matches and scored a total of 201 goals. In 1948, he played his last match, leading rest of India team against the Bengal. The match was ended with a draw. In his career, he scored over 400 goals from 1926 to 1940. He was awarded India's third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, in 1956. After retirement, he taught at coaching camps. Later, he was appointed as chief hockey coach at National Institute of Sports in Patiala. In the final day, he was suffering from liver cancer and was admitted at AIIMS, New Delhi. Dhyan Chand was died on December 3, 1979 at AIIMS, but he was cremated at Jhansi. The Government of India renamed the National Stadium in New Delhi to Dhyan Chand National Stadium in 2002. The most noted memorials for him is the Major Dhyan Chand Awards, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India. And the National Sports Day celebrates on his birthday. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Fit India movement. It aims to encourage Indians to include fitness activities and sports in their daily lives, to pave way for a healthy and fit lifestyle. During his speech of Fit India, said that fitness is not just a word, but a way to lead a healthy life. He also observed that the root cause of most lifestyle diseases are lifestyle disorders, and these are many diseases that can be overcome by making small changes in our lifestyle. Lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension are increasing in India. Hence, Fit India should be seen as a household movement. Nation will only become fit when citizen becomes fit. There is zero investment in Fit India movement, but return unlimited. The movement must reach every village, panchayat and school. It should be taken up as a part of our daily life and family life. Sports is a very important activity for students. It is one activity which can help us to develop multiple qualities like sense of togetherness, leadership qualities, stamina, physical strength, planning, and strategy, patriotism and teamwork, the qualities which help us to excel in life. National Sports Day is not a day tribute to one of the greatest in the game. It also reminds us the importance of sports in our life. Thank you. Jai Hind.